Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Math is easy, step by step. We got another GED math type of problem here. It's a word problem. Let's just jump right on in here to you. Thank you for joining me. A tall building in New York City casts a long shadow that's 50 feet. Nearby, a flagpole 3 foot tall casts a 2.5 foot shadow. What is the height of the building? Question. Round the nearest foot in your answer, and you can enter your answer here. All right, so a good test taking strategy is to read through and highlight what they're asking you. I'm going to do that now. A tall building in New York City casts a long shadow. So far here, what can I highlight? Okay, so here you can see a building, New York City, is casting a shadow. That is kind of important. Let's continue to move forward and highlight the facts we need in order to answer this type of question. So cast the shadow that's 50 feet. Nearby, a flagpole 3 feet tall casts a two and a half foot shadow. So we got some important information here. Let's highlight key information. I'm going to color coordinate with two different colors. Okay, so we know that the New York City building cast a long shadow that was 50 feet. And then nearby, a flagpole 3 feet tall casts a 2.5 foot shadow. So we have a flagpole. The details are highlighted in blue. That flagpole was 3 feet tall and cast a 2.5 foot shadow. And then earlier we were talking about a New York building highlighted in pinkish red that we don't know how tall it is, but has a shadow of 50 feet. What is the question? The question is, what is the height of the building? Round your answer to the nearest foot. Enter your answer here below. Thank you for joining me for part one. Join me for part two. We're going to draw a diagram to help us answer this word problem. Math's easy. Take it step by step.